Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn counting 1 to 10 with number of pictures. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, now one question. How many birds are there in this picture? Pick the right answer from options given below. Before giving answer, we will check how many birds are. 1 2 3 Here we found the total number of birds are equal to 3. Now we check given option one by one. A option is 2, which is incorrect. B option is 4, which is incorrect. C option is 5, which is incorrect. D option is 3, which is correct answer. It means the right answer is 3. Next question. How many red birds are there in this picture? Pick the right answer and write in comment section. Please like this video and do subscribe our channel for this kind of education.